What time did the missionaries come over yesterday for the?
They came around 6.
Oh, that's alright. I was
They're
gonna
going to
say
pick
like,
up their
it's pretty late.
food. Yeah. We're going to our Relief Society activity tonight. Yeah, I'm taking my companion with me. She was trying to refuse, but finally she said yes. And she said on our way here, she just said it's good she's feeling the spirit. What about other time? You didn't feel the spirit?
No, I feel like every day we have the guidance of the Holy Spirit daily. So, but I was like, this particular Relief Society activity is special. Has sentimental value for me personally.
Yeah, the busy week. Yeah, we have something to look forward to. Mingle with our sisters and do some fun things. Yeah, it's Saturday today. It's almost 4:30. Yeah, our activities start at 5. Yeah, it's how long? 20 minutes? 25 minutes drive from home to the chapel. But it depends. I can see. I thought it's not that busy, but looks like it's busy. I don't know why these people should take a day off. It's a Saturday. Why someone feel more? Yeah, if you yes, it's I'm very successful today. I'm able to take this one with me because she thinks she's too old to come with me. Daughters, never too old to come with your mommy to anywhere, including church activity. Yeah, a lot of other times she always say no, but this time with me, oh, bad connection. Yeah. So if you are up here, well, it's so hard. 1,000 subscribes. Yeah, I've been trying almost 2 years. Still under 1,000 subscribers. So I'm trying to find every way I can to see if I have some subscribers today. What are you doing? She's recording me.
I know, I'm just sorry.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm live and drive. Bad. We are on the north of Melbourne. Here's our biggest hospital here on this side of Melbourne. Northern Hospital. See? It's very big behind that. Behind there is the Costco. The American company, I think. It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne. We couldn't do much today. We got stuck in the house because of some people. They had to come and install something. They knocked on the door while I was running around with my gown and and this man knocked too early to install the split system in our house. And we got stuck all day. They just left. We left around 4 or before 4. From 7 before 7. Oh gosh, so we got stuck in the house because we have to be at the house. Oh. So now we're on our way to our Relief Society activity. Boom!
first time I see you
Ah.
try to do a U-turn. Wait, just
And
wait. Be patient.
yeah, this is what happened when you what is it? When
We should
you
stop
drive
right
and
after,
live.
because
Drive and live.
Jesus,
Because I
want
was
to enjoy
falling asleep.
life and blessings.
No nap today.
Comes with the restoration of the
It's, you can't nap when you have people in the house walking everywhere. Even in the bedrooms. Yeah. Hi everyone. Please support me with my channel, still trying to reach 1,000. I'm on 900 now for almost 2 years. That's very bad. Okay, so we are going to hi. Oh, hi, Moose. Sammy, hi, Sammy. Yeah, we are going to the women's gathering. And guess what? I have my 32-year-old daughter who always refused to come with me to everywhere I go. Today, I am successful. She's right here with me. First she said no. I said, do you want to come with me to the church, the Women's Relief Society? And she said no. Okay, so I just let her. Okay, she said no. And then later on I asked again, are you sure you don't want to come? It's going to be fun. And then she said, okay. Yeah. Here's the chapel. Oh, we are very early. We are very early today. We're going to have a lot of fun. It's our steak activity, not ward steak. So it means how many wards in our steak? I think we have 6 or 7. Yeah, so this for women only. We are going to have a lot of fun, and we have to do some activities. Yeah, see, we have fun. Some people think our church is boring, but no, we are not. We have our own activities to make us keep ourselves enjoy the world. Oh, I like it when this. Most of the time I always come late and the car park already packed. Now here we have some. Ooh. Where do we? Okay, so I'm gonna live tonight when we start our activity. Otherwise, I'm gonna just take some videos. Have to ask for permission first. Normally, we don't want our.
You can. You just can't take any videos in the sacrament room.
Now in the chapel, we can't take videos in our chapel. But we can take our videos in our hall. And some sisters, they're trying to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. I have my daughter. She's 33. Yeah, she just turned 33. She never want to come with me anywhere, especially church
You
activities.
never go anywhere. Yeah, of
But
course.
yeah, I don't go anywhere
Well,
except the church
I don't want to spend my
activities.
Saturdays.
And
With
I'm
nothing better to
successful
do.
today. I achieve my, I accomplished something today is her.
The blessings of exaltation.
Hi, Precious. Odelia. Hi. Talofa. Yeah. Eh. Ika ki fia fa sa mo ha au ki kilo kulo ngai ka ka ye. E afo. E pengi elingi sa mo ya. I feel rude not to speak in English. Yeah. If you really like me or you really like this life, yeah, you can do something for me. First, you can subscribe. Oh, oi tā lofa. Yeah, vai o lau kau ki loa kui lau last. Isi eu a last name, Mau Willie. Mau Willie. Yeah, tā lofa. Yeah, whaatai lava le. Le afe mai foi. E mai moa i la o i le kama i live. O le kama i live e le se mea foi le maanga i ako. I maka mai e back tonight. I tried to do a little live.
How
See,
early are we?
that's our sisters. That's our state
Is it in an
president
hour?
and her councillors trying to decorate. It's okay. It's not many.
Look like I'm ready to do
It's
something.
not many people inside, so we can just relax here. Now she can't wait to go inside. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Yeah,
Subscribe.
I'll do another live tonight.
Like, follow, share.
My daughter said if you can subscribe for her mommy. Yeah, thanks for your support, my daughter, and all of you who are here. Yeah, Fafitai lava. Yeah, we'll see you again. Okay. Yeah, tai lava. Fasifua.